how to get copy trading master trader in Bybit. So in this video, I'll show you step by step how to filter master trader in Bybit to copy his trade. So the first one, after you open the Bybit app, go to your profile at the top left side. After you go to your profile, so now you go to this all services button. After you open the all services, so now you go to trade section. After you go to trade, go to copy trading. After you open the copy trading, now if you want to see master trader, so the first thing you need to filter is by typing on this top ROI, this one. So choose this top ROI, that's return on investment. So you choose this top ROI. After you select this top ROI, so now it will give you the best people that are currently trading in the Bybit app. So most of them now, as you can see, if you look at this person is getting 800 or almost 900% in the last 7 days on his trade. So if you're like following this person, you invested, let's say 50 USDT or 100 USDT, you'll be able to get like almost 900% of your USDT in the last 7 days by copying this person trade. So the second one, if you look at this one, is getting 800% percentage in the last 7 days. So if you scroll all the way to down, you'll be able to see most of them now are getting massive amount of like return on investment in the last 7 days. If you want to copy all of the one of them, just tap on this copy button. After you tap on the copy button, so as you can see now this person gives you the minimum amount you can invest is 100 USDT. So you tap on this option now and type in the 100 USDT. After you type in the 100 USDT, so now you tap on this option now and choose where your funds are located. So if you have like money inside your funding or unified trading, so you select one of them. After you select one of them, then you tap on this copy button. So the reason why I get this error is because I don't have any USDT in my Bybit app. That's why it gave me this insufficient balance. So if you have the USDT, by typing the amount you want to invest, just tap on this copy button. So from there you start copying this person in the Bybit copy trading. If you want to see the trade that you are copying from this person, you just tap on this back arrow button and then go to this my trade. After you come to the my trade, so you'll be able to see the trade that you are copying in this option, and you'll be able to see the profit and loss you are getting in this option now. And that's it guys on how to get copy trading master trader in Bybit. Hope this video helps. Like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.